From the first moment I ever laid my eyes on you, I felt in the deepest parts of myself, I'm in love. I found the girl that I swear to myself that I will always chase, I will always care for, I will always cherish, and I will always love.
From the moment you came into this world, you have been a special gift to our family. Your sweet childhood turned into an adulthood with the blink of an eye. You went to get an education at Purdue, but also found your soulmate in Sydney.
Sydney was always such a joy to raise. She was incredibly cute, sweet, outgoing, and confident, and I couldn't have designed a more perfect daughter.
Freshman year of college, I learned that you had a crush on me.
Any father of a little girl knows that from his perspective, the most important decision she will ever make isn't where to go to college, but rather who she will marry.
I felt my intuition telling me that you were someone I needed to hold on to.
My introduction to this relationship started when I met Sydney my freshman year at Purdue. After some friendly conversation, we took a picture together, which she captioned, "Future Sister-in-Law."
As the days, weeks, and months progressed, I was entirely sure I was going to marry you one day.
Kevin has proven to us that he is absolutely a very kind-hearted person and someone that we can be proud of and grateful to have marrying our daughter.
I am in awe of your discipline, your creativity, and your passions. I'm in awe of the way that you treat people in your life, and especially the positive energy and aura you bring into any room you're in. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm like speechless. It's crazy. Yeah. You make me feel like everything in the world is going to be okay. You make me feel a sense of calmness, happiness, and joy that I don't think I can ever put into words. You make me feel a sense of warmth, a sense of gratitude, and a sense of being in this world.
To take your hand in marriage is not something I take lightly. I feel overwhelmingly lucky and proud to be standing beside you today. I'm ready to be your wife and all that comes with it.
Sydney and Kevin have invited you here today to witness this great moment in their lives. Their wedding tonight is an occasion for all of you to celebrate and witness the union of two hearts.
I vow that I will always support you in everything that your heart and mind wishes to do. I strive to be the man that your father dreamt of for you all his life, and the man that I dream of for my future daughter spending the rest of her life with.
I promise to make our family a priority. I promise to love you unconditionally, and I promise to choose you every day for the rest of my days.
I now pronounce you man and wife. Kevin, you may kiss your bride.
remember that the best relationship is one in which your love for each other exceeds your need for each other. So love yourselves, love one another, love all that is your life together, and all else will follow.